we got 2 new batteries for that pickup. And he's going to try to get it started and move over here where he can work on it. Take a look. But first, he's got to get the batteries in. Yeah, it takes 2 batteries for this truck. And here's Bill's helper. What are you doing? Just taking a sun bath? Warming up? Well, you got a nice warm place there. Yeah. Yeah. Now I disturbed her. There's the donkeys. They're watching us. Let's see what's Bill doing. So Bill's putting that new one in. And he's got this battery.
No, it takes 2 batteries on this trip.
Yeah. You see how the truck is so dusty here and just sitting. That's why we enjoy a good rain, because we feel like the house, the roof, everything, chicken houses, all get a layer of dust on them. And yeah, that's what the rain's about. That's what the rain's about. Getting the dust off. So Bill went in to get the keys to the truck, see if he can start it. And then he's going to move it over there. And see if we can't get that thing going. You know, the puppies haven't even rode in the truck yet. Hey. Everybody's waiting to see if he'll start.
Oh.
Well, okay, Bill, we got it started. I hope it'll stay start. Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna stand over here. He says he don't think he's gonna do it, and he's afraid he's gonna run the batteries down. You like that truck, don't you? You like it. It's fun to go bye-bye in, huh? Uh-oh. Oh, no. There it goes. Well. Uh-oh. Bill's got it going. He said just start it right back up, and he thinks it just had to warm up. So he's letting it run, charge the batteries back up. Yay. It's the start. Thanks for watching. Wipe the dirt off of it. Now he's out the windshield wiper going. Thanks for coming by and watching. We got our old jalopy going. Yeah.